Hey, hello guys, this is your boy Moses, and I'm coming your way again with another video. So I know you guys are seeing the headlines that are going on since yesterday, such as how the Celsius liquidity crunch is linked to Lido stake, Ethereum, um, uh, the micro strategy unrealized Bitcoin losses mount to over 1 billion amid the crypto round, and that is from the CoinDesk. And people are even saying there is a headline that says Bitcoin eyes $8,000 max pin price level as 3-day chart hints at March 2020 crash repeat. So guys, in this video we are going to see what is happening to Bitcoin, what is happening to Ethereum, and what is happening to what Celsius. Okay, some are going to be fundamentals that I'll talk about, and some are going to be looked at on the price action, and I'll give my thoughts on what I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to experience. Okay, now the first thing I'll talk about will be the why the Celsius liquidity crunch is linked to what Lido's staked Ethereum. Okay, so I have to quickly talk about that, then I'll take that out of the way. But before I dive into that, guys, if this is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, do well to smash that subscribe button, okay, and turn on your bell notification icon so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be informed that Mindset Hustle has uploaded a new video. Okay, guys, and also don't forget to like this video, share it with others so that they'll get the news on how to position themselves in this crypto space and protect their portfolio. Now let's dive into the video. So how the Celsius liquidity crunch is linked to Lido's staked Ethereum. So if you take Descript .co, they put an article on the whole issue written by Stacy Elliott. Okay, now they are saying that a core piece of Celsius end strategy relies on what we call the S ether, that is the staked ether. So it is written SF. Okay, not losing parity with Ethereum, but it has. Okay, so to sustain the stake it must not lose parity with the Ethereum price, but as it stands now, it is losing parity with the Ethereum price. But when that happened, what happened? Customers start to demand for their money back. So that caused Celsius to suspend withdrawals and so on. Now, what does this mean? Okay, because if you realize it was only a month since the collapse of Terra, which caused a lot of chaos, and that created that chaos was created in the crypto market already, and based on that, a lot of people are already losing trust in the crypto market. Okay, now the Lido Finance and its staked Ethereum, which I said is the STF, okay, ST small s small t f, okay, are at the center of another potential liquidity crisis, just like we experienced from Terra when USD was depegged and Terra has to face a massive crash in the market. Now, the crypto lending company Celsius is one of Lido's principal clients. Take note of this. As such, one of the largest holders of staked Ethereum. The problem here is that stake Ethereum is also supposed to be worth 1 ether. So if 1 ether is $2,000, stake Ethereum must also be worth $2,000. But it hasn't been so for some time now. That has not been the case for some time now. So stake Ethereum represents Ethereum. Okay, so like you stake Ethereum and you are getting what we call staked Ethereum as reward, but then the price parity is there. Okay, so if the price of Ethereum is $1,000, the price of your reward, which is staked Ethereum, should be also equal to what? $1. Okay, now this been locked up on the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain, a network that will soon be merged with Ethereum mainnet. So if you guys know, Ethereum has been doing an upgrade, or is trying to come up with a new chain called the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain, okay, which they are trying to merge with the mainnet so that gas fees and so on will now be subsidized. You guys know that Ethereum gas fees, when we talk about Ethereum gas fees, they are crazy. They are really crazy. Okay, so is that simple? Is that simple? Stake ETH and Ethereum must have parity in terms of pricing, but that never happened. Okay, and that gave a lot of clients on the Celsius wallet, how will I put it? It gave them headaches. So they started requesting for withdrawals. So based on that, a lot of things begin to happen. Okay, now normally users would need a minimum of about 32 ETH, that is worth like $40,000, to participate in Ethereum 2.0 staking and earn rewards. But Lido Finance makes it possible for users to stake any amount of ETH, and because it is liquid staking, it gives users what we call stake ether tokens in return, as I explained earlier. Okay, so that stake ether can then be lent, staked, and traded for other tokens, because it is also a token that you get as a result of staking. So it's just like Climber. You stake Climber and it is converted to staked Climber. You get it? All right, now Celsius does precisely that with its own clients fund. So but now, a day after Celsius paused customer withdrawal, swaps, and transfers, to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations, the company said there is growing concern over the lending company's exposure to STETH. Okay, so this is the reason why those of you asking me why did Celsius stopped withdrawal. This is the main reason Celsius stopped withdrawal. Okay, because Lido's liquidity issue was causing the price parity between stake ETH and Ethereum, and that gives Celsius clients a lot of headache, and then they started seeking for withdrawal, swaps, transfers, and so on. And based on that, Celsius knows if they don't do something to prevent the whole issue, it can cause nuisance in the system. So what did they do? They have to pause withdrawal and other stuffs for some period of time. So if you are using the Celsius wallet, I'm sure you would have received a mail or a notification talking about the pause in withdrawal. All right, so guys, this is the reason. Those of you who message me on Telegram and on WhatsApp, this is the reason. Guys, if you have not joined my Telegram Facebook group, the links will be in the description of this video. Do well to join us, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Now let's go to the next thing. Let's go to the next thing, and that is, we want to look at what is happening. Will Bitcoin visit 8,000? Is it eyeing 8,000 as per the max pen price level, as 3-day chart hints at March 2028 crash repeat? So this article from the Z Crypto, okay, is talking about Bitcoin having a possibility of hitting about 8,000 USD. Is that possible? Is this a red alert for us in terms of looking at Bitcoin dipping more? Okay, now I don't know, a lot of people are already bleeding. Their portfolios are almost about 90% out. Okay, so what are we going to do? So what is going to happen is, in this video I'm going to talk about this fundamental, and then in the next video I'll quickly make a price action analysis on Bitcoin, and what you should do, and which points you should be looking toward to buy Bitcoin again. Okay, as it stands now, what I can say is that Bitcoin's bottom low is not yet reached. Okay, Bitcoin has not yet bottomed yet. So I for instance, I'm going to put my position, my limit orders at various areas that I've analyzed, that I know in the market that I should be buying Bitcoin from. I'm not going to buy Bitcoin now because it is market will still hot damp. Okay, market will still damp. So now Bitcoin dropped below $25,000 for the first time in like 18 months, cementing the market firmly in a crypto winter. So now the dip in prices sees the market capitalization fall below $1 trillion from previous highs of $3 trillion. Now experts have warned investors to brace for even darker days, as there are little to no indicators for a reversal. Just as I said, even the naked chart will tell us more. So once I do the next video, in which I'm going to talk about the price action aspect, aligning with the fundamentals, you get to understand that yes, it's not time to be buying Bitcoin now. Okay, now if you are in a long position on Bitcoin, I can really tell you that if you don't take time, you'll be liquidated. By, mind you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm talking about all these things based on my own research, my own price analysis, and my own perspective. So do well to consult a financial advisor before you take action. All right, now Bitcoin is wallowing in the pangs of rapidly declining prices that have taken it to previously unseen levels for over a year. Now, altcoins and companies with BTC on their balance sheets have taken their fair share of the hit. For instance, Elon Musk's Tesla company have a lot of Bitcoin. They bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was very high. So you can imagine they are also in this deep, not just you and I. So it's left with how you manage your portfolio. Okay. All right. So another thing happening around the Bitcoin right now was concerning the micro strategy that unrealized its Bitcoin losses to about 1 billion amid the crypto crash. Okay, now why is this a concern? Why is this a concern? Because these guys will be liquidated. If you watch, these people are now largely debt financed. Okay, the Bitcoin that they invested in is being is debt financed. When I say debt financed, I mean they borrowed funds to buy the BTC. And now the funds they borrowed to buy the BTC, okay, is now plunked below 21,000. And if they don't even cut their losses and Bitcoin goes to around 19k to 18k, these guys will be liquidated. They'll be forced to sell. Liquidation means forced to sell off their positions. And you know what? That is a very big blow to them. And because of that, that is also another panic in the system, because that is a Nasdaq based corporation. Okay, so that is a very big issue to them as well. So these are all news or fundamentals that are seeing the price of Bitcoin lower. And one thing I can say is, it's not just this micro strategy guys that the Bitcoin whales are looking to liquidate, because they hate them. They hate these big guys, big financial institutions. So these whales want to liquidate these guys out of the market. It is a calculated something that they are doing, and they are not the only one. There is another guy that the whales don't like as well, but it's not everything I can say on this video that they are looking to liquidate out of the system. So please guys, do well to watch this video and understand the things that are happening. If you have any question, you can leave your comment in the comment section and I'll answer you, or you can also join our Telegram page and also leave contact me directly on Telegram. All my handles are in the description. If you go to our Telegram page, you can also as well get access to my WhatsApp line to private chat me on WhatsApp directly as well. Please ignore anybody that is dropping phone numbers in the comment asking you to contact them. I'm not the one. I will not drop my phone number or anything in the comment. Everything is in the description of the video. Okay, everything is in the description of the video. If you want to contact me through those handles. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.